Hey everybody, Jeff here from SW Customs. Here's the deal today. I'm working on the old Dodge. The headlamps are all weathered, yellowed. I got some 1000 grit and some water and piece of Scotch-Brite. That's to wrap the paper in the bucket there, and I'm gonna knock all the bleached areas all out here. Give the whole thing a nice little wet sand 1000 grit. Same on the other lamp, and then respraying with clear, and they should look like new. Okay, they're all sanded down. You can see that they're very nice and dull looking. Now I'm going to give them a quick wipe off with some wax and grease remover and a paper towel. Blow it off with some compressed air. Tape it in with some paper, and then get some clear ready. Okay, I got about 1.5 ounces of MS Clear mixed up for putting the minigun. Give it a quick coat and it should shine up, and then I'll go over and I'll hit the other side. Okay, it looks like it flowed out real good. Them lamps look nice and shiny again now. I'll give that 10 minutes, and I'll come back and I'll hit it again. Okay, it's been about 10 minutes. The gun's been cleaned out. I was running that gun a little over pressure, up around 30 psi, just to get a really nice fine mist out of it. And that was just a couple of quick coats. It looks nice and shiny again, nice and new. Another minute here, I'll start peeling the tape off, and we'll have another look. Okay, I got the paper all off. Like I said, it looks real good. Looks all nice and fresh. This is a little job anybody can do in their driveway. Like I said, just a wet sand with some 1000 grit. Clean it up real nice. If you don't have wax and grease remover, just use some rubbing alcohol to get the surface clean. You don't have to have an air compressor or spray gun or 2K clear. You can just use lacquer clear from the hardware store, because you're not putting it around the gas tank or anything, so it's not going to get gas on it. And you might have to spray it on, real light, let it dry up, but you're going to get the same results. So thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe.